Using a detergent to clean your vehicle can harm your vehicle's paint and cause dullness. Hi guys, my name is Tanish and today I'm going to show you how to wash your vehicle in the way that protects rather than harms it. Start by rinsing your vehicle with clean water to remove any loose dirt. Next, mix in 10 ml of the Motomax Bike and Car Shampoo in 2 to 3 liters of water. Mix it thoroughly. As you can see, the shampoo quickly forms a thick, foamy lather, making it easier to clean. Using a sponge or a microfiber cloth, wash from the top of the vehicle and work your way down. The Motomax Car Shampoo easily removes stuff, stains and dirt, and the best part is that it's made with a neutral, non-toxic solution that is safe to use on any surface of your vehicle. Once you're done washing the car, rinse it with clean water again and wipe it dry to avoid water spots. You'll immediately notice a nice glossy afterglow on the vehicle. Now you can use any vehicle shampoo, but I personally prefer the Motomax Car Shampoo because it not only cleans but also forms a protective layer that reduces dust accumulation on your vehicle. So there you have it folks, now you can easily wash your vehicle with the Motomax Car Shampoo.